Hi traders, happy new week. So this week we have some amazing setups lining up this week, and we'll be taking a closer look at a few of my favorite pairs that are showing strong potentials. So as always, the goal is to identify high probability setups and opportunities, stay disciplined, and trade with confidence. Without taking much of your time, guys, let's dive straight into the charts and see what the market has in store for us this week. So this is BTC, as you can see. Last few weeks I analyzed BTC and my target was 60,000, which BTC met last week. And right now we are on the pause, looking at what is going to happen on BTC. So this is BTC, guys, and this was where BTC reacted from and gave us a bear run to this level right here at about 59,000. So the next point of action right now is that we have a liquidity sweep here. So followed by a bullish engulfing. So for me, I'm expecting a bull run on BTC. If for anything this level decides to hold, I'm expecting a bull run on BTC. So however, right now, let's see if we have a value change of character yet. Let's see. So the last break of structure to the downside was this, which was what gave us a sell side liquidity sweep on daily. Right before that we have this. A break of structure up right here. So here is the thing, guys. Before I can consider BTC to be bullish, I need to see a break of this level. So once I'm able to see a break at this level, then I can consider BTC to be bullish. To be honest, I can consider BTC to be bullish. Although price took out this high, refusing to give us a new low, then it broke structure. Right here is the level whereby I would have expected of BTC to retest before having this bull run to this level, but the POI is still there, unmitigated. So what we want to see right now is what happened next on BTC here. So as you all know, when it comes to trading, you have to be patient. You have to be very, very, very patient, because there's a saying that says the patient dog always or usually the fattest boy. So we have to be patient. So right now, this is what I have on BTC. For now, this is what I have on BTC. Another thing I'll be doing is that I'm going to be dropping some of these setups on my Telegram channel. So if you are interested to follow up on this setup, kindly join my Telegram channel, which I'll be dropping in the description box on this under this video. Let's see what we can get from BTC this week. Let's see what we can get from BTC this week. So I think that will be all on BTC with what I have right now. That will be all on BTC. There is no gambling right here on this platform. There is no gambling, if market is doing its thing, let it do its thing, let it cook well, let it cook well and have your meal. So let it cook well so you can enjoy your meal. So that's just it. It's better to trade with confidence than to trade with a mindset of I don't know if I've done the right thing or not. And at that time you start panicking, even if the market is even if the setup is going to hit your targets, but because you're not sure you've done the right thing, you panicked out, if you understand. So let's just keep our fingers crossed on BTC. Let's allow it to cook well. Let it cook. So that will be all on BTC, guys. Let's have a look at gold. Let's have a look at gold. So this is gold, XAUUSD. So gold did a thing last week and left me behind because I was anticipating this level, but then when it dropped I was not on the chart, so yeah, it's left me behind. But yeah, regardless, there's always re-entry. There's usually lots of opportunities in the market. All you just have to do is to be patient, sight them, be patient and take your trade. So let's start with daily. And I'm going to be deleting some of these objects so we can have something clear to work with, so we can have a clean chart to work with. So yep, so this is gold, guys. This is gold, and it's so amazing that so far gold has been working, has been playing out the way I've analyzed, the way I've anticipated. I'm actually, even though I do miss some of the setup, like what happened on Friday. I missed the Friday move. However, the thing is, yeah, I anticipated it and it's played out beautifully, just as I did, which is a good one. So right now, what is next on gold? What is next on gold? That is the question. So we had a sweep of this high on gold. That was a buy side liquidity sweep, yeah. But then I'll just put it as inducement taken out to tap on a fair value gap on daily. That was what happened over there. And right here we have a break of structure. Right here, guys. So what was the next action to take? Let me give you 5 seconds to think. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, done. So yeah. So let's go now. So we have a break of structure right here, and the next point of action is for this market to create an inducement, yeah, for this POI, this level right here. I'm waiting for the market to create an inducement for this POI right here. Yeah, and if that's not gonna happen, it means I'll be looking forward to sell at this level. Yeah, because we still have tiny heavy G at that level. So it's either gold decides to create an inducement right here, then tapped on this level for us to target the last low. So that is my expectation on what's it called? That will be my expectation on gold. Yeah. So In case gold decide to not give any inducement, then this level right here will become an inducement for this POI that we have above. Yeah, so yeah, that is it. So I'm going to take that out. Hold on, guys. So okay. Okay, so that's just it for now, guys. For gold, that is what I can say on gold. Yeah, that is what I can say on gold. So we are expecting an inducement, price to give us an incomplete pullback. Then we anticipate this level for a sell continuation. As you can see, there's another block, and obviously a fair value gap. So if you're to look to 2 hours, let's see what 2 hours. Oh, beautiful. So 2 hours, with the look of things, 2 hours has given an inducement, like incomplete pullback, you know, as some ICT gurus are gonna say, that incomplete pullback. So this is a large heavy G. So if for any reason gold decides to push up to this level, we'll be sending it down. We'll be sending it down, guys. We'll be sending it down to this level right here. We'll be sending it down to this level right there. So, but then, you know, like I've always preached of what's it called? Confirmation. You know, you need to enter your trade based on confirmation. Yeah, it's good to actually set limits at times, but then if you know you're going to be available, there's no point setting limits. But if you are not going to be available, then fine, you can set your limit. Yeah. So because we have a level right here, I wouldn't advise setting up limits because of that. Because at this level we have another order block. Yeah, we have another order block that is yet to be mitigated, which gold might want to retest, because the history of this order block was that we had a market structure shift over here. We have a market structure shift over here. This market decides to use this as an inducement to tap onto this level, and we have a break of structure. So because we have a break of structure right here, markets might decide to test this level, because this level was not tested, although the fair value gap was tested, and yeah, it dished out a break of structure, which is mitigated rather, and we have a break of structure. However, the OB is still there. Yeah, so let's see what's gonna happen on gold. So which of these zones are you guys looking forward to? Is it the first one? Yeah, or the second one? Let me know your take in the comment section. So that will be the end of this video. You know, I'll be dropping more outlook on some other currency pairs, but for gold, this is going to be for gold and for BTC USD. So thanks so much for watching, guys. If you find value in this weekly outlook, don't forget to share, subscribe, comment, and engage. I'll be dropping my Telegram what's it called, link in the description box. So do well to follow, to join the community, just so you won't be left out in all of the setup, as I'll be putting an extra effort to engage and to, you know, make sure that all of this setup is being reviewed on the channel. So thank you so much, guys, and till next week. My name is Saidat Amal.